This is a 15-minute guided meditation for the Sun in Scorpio. My name is Kat. You are watching the Soul Sister channel. With our meditation today, we will be bringing together our true selves, our purpose in life, our indestructible peace, and our power. The Sun in Scorpio affirmation is, Spiritual warrior am I. From the battle, I emerge triumphant. Let's begin by finding a quiet space that we can remain undisturbed for the next 15 minutes. In this space, we may want to go to a special, sacred, safe space in our minds where we find total peace. It can be outside of ourselves, it can be inside, within, but let's go to that space now. Now that we have settled into our safe, quiet, peaceful space, we may want to close our eyes, and we are going to take 3 deep cleansing breaths. Let's take the first one. On this first deep cleansing breath, we're releasing all disease, all negativity, all toxicity from our physical etheric bodies. We see all the darkness, all the negativity flowing out of our bodies. We see all the discomfort, all the illness, all the disease flowing out of our bodies. Second breath. On this second breath, we release all disease, negativity, and toxicity from our emotional astral bodies. We see all the sadness. We see all the emotional pain, the unworthiness, the lack. It's all flowing out of our bodies, flowing away. We take our third breath. On this third deep cleansing breath, we release all disease, all negativity, all toxicity from our mental bodies, both higher and lower. We see all the darkness, all the negativity, all the toxicity flowing out of our bodies. All of the righteousness, all of our critical selves, our fearful selves, our powerless selves, we let that flow right out of our body and flow away. In its place, we see our bodies being filled with this beautiful white light. This white light is made up of white light, love, and the will to good. Not only does it fill our entire bodies with white light, love, and the will to good, but it goes out and forms a protective bubble around us. And this bubble is deflecting all evil, all low vibration, all negativity back to its source. Now, while we are in this space of white light, connected with our higher selves, we see before us, in our safe, quiet, peaceful space, a pool. In this pool is a reflecting pool. We go to the pool and we look in to the pool. And the self who is projected, reflected back to us, is this person that we so want to be. This is our true selves. This is the person who loves themselves, loves their quirkiness, loves their imperfections, loves their beauty, and loves their divinity. Look into the pool. Who is it that we see? Embrace that self that brings you joy. We look further into the pool, and now we look at our work. What is our work? What is it that we are here to do? What is our unique purpose on this earth? We look into the magic pool, this beautiful reflecting pool, and we look and see what brings us the most joy, the most bliss, what fulfills us, what makes us the happiest. We take note. And now, in this space of white light connected with our higher selves, embracing our true self, embracing our work, our purpose, we say our Sun in Scorpio affirmation. Spiritual warrior am I. From the battle, I emerge triumphant. Let's say the affirmation together. Spiritual warrior am I. From the battle, I emerge triumphant. We see ourselves. We see ourselves. We see our true selves. We see our purpose. We imagine that we already are this incredible being of our imagination. We find this indestructible peace with being connected who we truly are, with being connected to our work, what brings us joy and bliss. Let's sit in this space. Let's see our true selves. Let's embrace our work. Feel the peace that is running through us, that we are experiencing in this space of white light, connected with our higher self. Feel the peace. Feel the peace wash over us. Feel our breathing slowing. Embrace the peace. See the peace surround us. See our peace being part of that white light that is protecting us and deflecting all evil, all low vibration, all negativity back to its source. And now we see ourselves embraced in the armor of light, love, and goodwill, of love, abundance, and gratitude. We see our true self and our purpose protected by this incredible energy in the outer world, completely protected. Our true self, our purpose, we express our inner selves in the outer world, and we share our light with others. And now let's come back. Wiggle